Good day, everyone. My name is Sophia Eyong, and I'm here to talk to you about the performance elements of drama. Number one, we have acting. Use of face, body, and voice to portray character. Then, character motivation. The reason for or reasons for a character's behavior. Then we have character analysis. In responding to dramatic art, the process of examining how the elements of drama are used. Then we have empathy, the capacity to relate to the feelings of another. Then speaking, the mode of expression or delivery of lines. Then we have breath control, proper use of the lungs for maximum capacity and efficiency of breath for speaking. Then vocal expression, how an actor uses his or her voice to convey character. Then inflection, change in pitch, loudness of the voice. Then projection, how well the voice carries to the audience. Then speaking style, the mode of expression or delivery of lines. Then diction, selection and pronunciation of words, which is also known as clarity of the speech. Now we have nonverbal expressions. Gestures and movements of the actor's head, shoulder, arm, hand, leg, or foot to convey meaning. Then lastly, we have the facial expression, physical and vocal aspects used by an actor to convey mood, feelings, or personality. Thank you.